Inside of Dispatch, TruckWin does have an area for you to keep track of maintenance, whether that's planned maintenance or unplanned maintenance. And before using that, you're going to want to make sure your maintenance codes are set up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go into Dispatch. And the maintenance is located on the top menus. So if you click on Equipment, and there's a separate tractor and trailer list. So I'm only going to go through like the tractor codes, and you can do the same for the trailer codes. So if I go down to Maintenance Code Tractor, it's going to pull up a list of default codes that are entered into TruckWin, and you can always add to this list. So if there's something that you have done to your tractors, it's not on here, you can go ahead and hit add, and you would add it into your list and then simply hit exit. Once you have those set up, you'll be able to actually add maintenance into the system, which will be another video. Thanks.